There's nagtatawanan yun. Tandaan niyo yung ano, tandaan niyo yung gumanan yung
Oo, gumanan
yung gumanan yung
Mr. Suave!
sabi mo, mamatay na ako katawan sa'yo man.
Yung kay Giselle! Grabe!
Pagkanta na
Hindi nakasaksa.
Hindi nakasaksa.
sobrang kabado si John.
Pabukas ako. Wala na
Biglang gumano niya.
Si Jonas!
Jen! Ha?
Hindi na ako nakasama.
Makatawa ka din, ha? Hindi mo kasi alam yun. Palipat-lipat ka kasi sa room. Dila, Mat, dila.
Hindi ka.
Kala ka mauto ko na.
Sige, Jai! Parehas kaming CEO.
Paras kami si Iyo. Dead up to.
Ano mo sabi mo?
Escalarians!
Proud to be.
Ikaw, Mr. Engineer. What can you say about your school?
Engineer.
How's your school days?
How's your
You, Mr. I don't know your school. Can you introduce your
Nursing.
school?
Hoy. How's the... Hoy.
Hey, Mr. Nursing.
What?
How about your school? What can you
How
say
about
about
my
it?
school? My school is fine.
Oh,
Why?
your school is fine?
Yes.
How about the students?
The students are studying.
Come back to me, camera!
Come back to me. Oh, wait,
Come
the
back to me, camera!
Lyceum.
No,
The
no,
Lyceum.
Meepers! Meepers!
What does he use
No,
this?
Meepers! Do you know my school? CU?
My school, there's a lot of
CU,
schools.
CU, the best school in the world.
You
The
have
tuition fee is
So high.
so high,
high price. Always corrupt.
high tide.
Yes, do you know, there's a taxation.
Kasi,
The student fee is so high. Ano ba?
oh
Inflation.
wait,
No,
let's hear
no.
about. Hey, stop. Let's.
Jenny, I'm just kidding.
What can what?
Do you know what's kidding?
How do you call?
Do you know what's kidding?
Kidding is.
Do you know what's kidding?
Oh, what's kidding?
You
No
kidding. No, kidding is when you are young, you are kidding, and when you get old, you are growing. and when you get old, and when you get and when you get old, Jenny Lynn get dying.
You will say. You will follow me.
Akala ko oldie.
How about wait? I interview. I interrogate you.
How are you, camera?
What can you say about your school?
Lyceum. Yes.
How about the different dissection?
How about
You, Mr. Wow, there are two Lyceans. Over here, the HRM boy. Hey, Mr. Peshano. What can you say about your course right now? Is it fine?
Yes.
It's different.
What kind of
It's yet
exciting
hard.
things is involved with it?
Is it fun?
What? Ano daw?
What kind of?
I don't
Tagalogin mo
know.
na kasi.
What can you say
ikaw
about
na,
your
nasa
course?
Ako naman ang mag-ano. Ako naman. Si Jonas ang tatanungin ko.
Jonas.
Oh, Jonas.
English,
Jonas.
English,
Hindi,
English.
Tagalog.
English naman.
Isang araw, si Jonas sa isang korte. Nasaan ka na nangyari ang krimen?
Nasa kubeta ko.
Nasaan ka na nangyari ang krimen?
Nasa maisan.
Anong ginagawa mo sa maisan? Maaari mo bang sabihin sa korteng ito kung anong ginagawa mo doon?
Nagmamais.
Okay, ano yan? Ano yung nasa doon?
Hindi ka ho nakakahiya.
Hindi ka ho nakakaya.
Lalakad ako lang.
Hindi ka ho nakakahiya.
Wala na lang.
Hindi ka ho nakakahiya. Nadumi ho.
Okay, nadumi ho.
Ako'y nadumi ho. Parang hindi sanay talaga. Tapos, sa iyong palagay, ilang hakbang ka mula sa panangyarihan ng krimen?
Ay, meron kang nakakbang na nadumi.
Meron ka bang naduming nakakapag? Baliktang naman, Chonggi.
Knock!
Who's there?
Mat na nabangga.
Mat na nabangga ho.
Hindi. Mama para taxi.
Mama para taxi ho.
Mama.
It's joke time!
Nakakainit, bukas wala.
Knock!
Who's there?
Saksak mo muna
Jenny, hindi ka nakasama sa video.
Knock knock.
Jen,
Hello. What can
Dasal yan.
what can I do for
Please,
you?
budol-budol.
Oh, nice. Budol.
What can you say about your experience in Lasal?
Oh, I have a tour with the police. Over
Budol
there,
event.
we have a parade like that. We are
Okay.
too, I'm crying.
Murder niya ba?
Oy, Matt Stephen, you're not yet done with your joking.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Yan naman
Issue.
Issue who?
That's issue. And me.
Ano
Knock knock. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Papa Bugsy.
Papa Bagsi who?
Papa Bugsy is Jonas. Mama Par.
Eh.
Ba't ano yung sagot nito for Paris na...
Dalandan.
There's the moonlight over Paris. Ayun na, nagsilog.
Bambam.
Hindi na, wag. Mabidyo nga. Murder niya ba?
Ay, hindi ko kaya.